Hey guys, welcome back to the stream. I'll be live. Alright, this works. Let's just switch the main monitor as that one so notification doesn't show. Alright, now it's better. Yeah. Alright, so we got the analysis right. You guys, drop a comment. I'm here. I'm building a AI native video editor which can edit videos like a pure human, right? So drop your ideas and so if you have any improvements, suggestions. So this is the current, dashboard. It is named as Auriplex and we are building the first video editor. Like, first we are trying to build a editing agent which can edit videos. Then I'm thinking about, building the kind of, script writer agent and a head agent which can analyze whatever it's creating and update the, uh, the documentation for it every week, right? Like there is set of instruction to each and every agent, and after every week's performance, then it updates the, I would say, the guidelines for it. Drop what you are building. I think you should improve few things, which is like the analysis page should be just for the analysis section to be shown, and the improvement page should be a different section where it will show the improvement. Like there the improvement is visible, and as soon as both the things gets complete, there at the bottom we can see the preview of it, right? And so you know in the caption studio, there the video is not the one which is raw uploaded, but the one which is going through iterations, right? Like which might go from improvement, and then improvement one is forwarded to caption studio, and then from caption studio the after the caption studio's captions, it goes to the further process, right? So that way it should go, right? Like, so if someone improves, like someone, let's say, uh, got into caption studio but thought to improve the visuals and audio again, so it can go back, do the changes, and that updated video goes into the further section, right? So have that thing, and have a whole different thing into the analysis should be complete visible, not scrollable, right? So and it should come word by word as in the chat GPT does, right? Not wait for complete answer, right? As soon as the text is coming, it should start rendering it into the screen, right? And the other thing along around is that is improvement thing should be there in the other side, and there after the improvement is ready, we can see the improvement section. And the caption studio thing is good, but just do this improvement first. Okay, sir. This is better. Just cleaning the glasses. Right. So we'll improve the caption section. The caption studio isn't looking how it should have, right? Where it's like, slightly bulkier and bigger, like a AI thing, like how AI would develop. But here I wanted to not have that too much blacky thing where when I have not selected the that box, it is so dark that it doesn't look good. I have it to be slight level of border thing only, and not even glow, just border thing. And one thing around is the just make it slightly minimalistic. The box is too big, and inside the previews are too big. Just have it slightly smaller so it looks minimalistic. And you know uh, the sidebar thing, you have to improve slight bit of sidebar. Instead of having that three dot, have the button to get that sidebar to be disappear, right, like going into the side, right? That thing you have to improve. And have a movable line between the I have shown you where have a like a hovered over it, a movable line where I can expand the uh, video preview and squish the caption studio that way along, right? And so that's the thing you have to do. And also, like let it have a good aspect ratio thing looks slight bit of broken or so. And I think so, yeah. And just improve it slightly much well. And when I zoom in, the video becomes completely like this, right? Like not uh, understanding the aspect ratio thing. Zoom in the sense when I do it full screen, right? And kindly improve that thing. And I mean, yeah, improve it. And also, like, have it to be slightly normal size. Like I've shown you one of the competitors once. You will see that how it has it. Just have it slightly like that only, but slightly bigger than that maybe. But yeah, when I do the competitors as that aspect ratio, also you can see that how that looks. You can analyze that, implement it well, take your time, go through iterations, and improve it completely well, right? I've shown you the competitors one also. It has really good way of showing off the things. And yeah, just have it that way along and do the improvement. Then one by one give you the caption styles also to mimic that. Yeah, remotion. I know. Alright, so remotion is a open source thing right now. I mean, no one does that thing actually, but they're good enough to do so. Like, I really care about that thing. What do you think, guys? Here it is a better place to keep the. Uh, I think here it is better. I think here it is better. Strong fit. So, guys. That's so snappy. Right, so let's do it one by one. All right, so what we have to do now is remove the complete audio enhancement feature right now completely and use the SAMA 2 model for the audio enhancement thing, right? Not the audio enhancement feature. We have to just remove the audio enhancement engine right now and have to use SAMA 2 model instead of that. Ask me questions if you have, build a plan how we can remove that, and you know, will the only objective to achieve from the audio improvement is to make it feel a studio level good audio. It would be mostly talking head videos, and we have to enhance this audio, its audio quality, so it sounds like a studio quality. People might use their mobile phones uh, the mic, so that level of quality could be expected also. But what you have to do is you have to actually kind of improve that thing, right? Get rid of the current audio improvement thing and use the SAMA 2 model, SAM 2 model, STAM 2 model of Meta. If you need any more information, do let me know. We'll do one by one. Sorry. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Boy, 2 years old. Sama 2 model is 2 years old. Sam 2 model. Oh, right. This is the wrong one. Let's say it has did its work. Right. audio model. Swipe AI backend only. Redesign the full. Improve as much as, like, getting the audio engine completely removed and putting uh, the Sama audio thing. It's like we'll upload a video and it will have audio and it has to improve that audio. no, don't keep the FFmpeg mastering stage after separation for loudness, ramp cleanup, and that thing. I think that all parts should be given to the Sam Audio, and I think it's a open source model also. So will you be installing it also? And see a setup guide also, so it would be helpful for you. And yeah, just understand what I'm trying to say. And make sure have a really good test that SAM model is only working. I don't understand what does that mean. It's an open source model, right? So we can install on our computer, maybe. I hope so. What's the size of it? Okay. Cooking phase. Have the preview width to be slightly smaller, and the videos should be slightly more bigger and visible. And when I change its aspect ratio, it shouldn't just change its length, it should change it width also. When I go into width mode, so it should just flip the thing, right? So it should take slightly more space and it should look slightly bigger too. And just improve it to be slightly more minimalistic and slightly more better UI. See the brand guideline also. That's so bad scrolling. Can we have the improvement also there in the top side of it? Like after the analysis there should be improvement, and after that there should be caption studio, and in the improvement button it should take to the improvement.